Hello, this is a sous vide cooker, 10 liter, has very sophisticated heater located from left to right, cover whole pan, which ensure every inch of pan, every area of the pan are even heat. Then you can see our touch sensitive control panel. In the upper one, you can set the temperature, and the lower part set the time. And then that is all the touch sensitive key. This is all stainless steel structure from the case and the pan, and also the bedside, which has a power switch. Now we set the 98 for the sous vide cooking for the lava 8. Lava 8 is very popular in the Japanese noodle shop, or maybe some of the Taiwanese lunch box. Now we have the temperature going up. It will take about 20 minutes to reach the 98 degrees. Then we put the basket full with the egg and then put into here for about 9 minutes. After the time is running, then we take it out, and then we can have a whole basket, around 40 or 50 pieces of lava egg, constant and stable performance. Now the water is boiled. Then we put the basket inside the machine. Then we close the machine. Okay, now time is up about 6 minutes. So we take out the basket, out and then put aside. Okay, now we will peel off the shell of the egg under the water. That is easier. Then we can see the total egg is very beautiful. And we cut the knife into half. Okay, this is very beautiful.